Hi, my name is Katrina Woods, and I live in Quartz Hill, California. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what or where is a Quartz Hill, California, but it's about 1 hour north of Los Angeles. It's a very small, unincorporated desert town, but we love our little town. It's got farm life and city life combined. Currently, I am attending school here at Bryan to obtain an associate's degree in paralegal studies and litigation technology. I plan on working as a paralegal for a few years, and then I do want to um, become an attorney. Becoming an attorney is my end goal, but I do want some experience in the courtroom first. So, being a paralegal is something that I definitely wanted to try before I jump right into being an attorney. So, do I like public speaking? Yes. And that's why I did want to be an attorney because can you imagine wanting to be an attorney or being an attorney and you need to speak publicly, but you're afraid? So I definitely think that having um, the great speaking ability is something that's very crucial to the job of being an attorney or a paralegal because even when you're a paralegal, you do still need to be able to speak and be a great speaker. So I definitely think this is something that's crucial. So I work at a school where we speak on a regular basis to the kids and to parents. So I found that I do enjoy speaking publicly. And as for a public speaker that I enjoy and I think is good is Oprah Winfrey. I think Oprah Winfrey gets people to listen and she draws them in, not by just who she is, but by what she says and how she says it. I feel that Oprah Winfrey speaks in a way that makes you listen. She has a good pace, she pauses, and she emphasizes essential aspects of whatever it is she's talking about. It's not a monotone type of speech or type of um, oral presentation she's giving. She's definitely talking to you and she's talking to you with conviction. So that's why I feel that Oprah Winfrey is a good public speaker. And what I hope to attain from this class is some of that, some of what Oprah Winfrey has, some of that conviction, some of that um, lowering my voice and bringing my voice up for certain things. I definitely want to do things like that, like Oprah Winfrey, because once again, it makes you listen. And I do hope that once I leave this class, I obtain some unique um, skills that could make me a better public speaker. Because, like I said before, my end goal, I do want to be an attorney. So I hope you enjoyed listening to my life, and I can't wait to listen to all of yours. You guys have a very good night.